Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Praise Manuel once again. Guys, I know it has been a long time. Our last vlog, it's been up to a month, and then my friends keep asking me why I haven't posted in a long time. Guys, I have not abandoned my YouTube channel. A lot have been going on throughout this September period. Like, we had exams, and then the whole thing was so hectic, so stressful, and and the funny thing is that today is Sunday. My last exam was yesterday, and tomorrow being Monday, we're gonna have our first lecture for the new semester. Like, lecture is officially started. We literally have no holiday. The same month as I was playing basketball, one of the players mistakenly elbowed my forehead, and it was swollen and really painful. But now I'm so glad it has video. I'm going to show you the video here. I had coconut head. He gave me coconut head. You get coconut head, you know the hear what?
I get coconut head, I get big ear, but I know the hear word.
So my friends now were just like, just teasing me. So to my friends watching this video, my forehead has returned to normal. So hate is gonna hate. So guys, my plan for today is I just want to go out. I just want to, spoil myself. I just want to, baby girl has to be taken care of. Stop staring at me. Your girl has to take care of herself. This car wanted to hit me. Yeah, that's what this vlog is about, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Guys, I came to this nice place, and then it feels so weird like recording inside here because everyone is just staring. Isn't the elevator? What? What's that? But that's not what I ordered.
No, not you. I'm just asking if you eat it.
I don't even know what that is. So guys, I'm about to eat now. The moment I have been waiting for. I'm so hungry. And this music playing in the background, it can give me copyright. Yeah, so after you've ordered, you just turn this upside down. And if this stuff gets down here and your food doesn't arrive, it means you're not gonna pay for it. So you guys should pray for this thing to come down fast so that I don't have to pay. And it's coming out so small. These people have sense. Amazing. Guys, my favorite thing to buy here is always the lamb. The lamb is everything when it comes to coffee and chicken. Guys, this is scrambled eggs, and I hate it so much, but the money cannot waste it. in this kind of situation where you are eating in your house, you just hold this in and just destroy the whole thing. So guys, I just finished eating and yeah, still flat tummy gang. Yeah, always a flat tummy gang. So I want to get my nails done, but I don't know where exactly to go to, but I'll just like try searching this whole building. Then after that, I want to go shopping. I can't wait for that. What is this? No. Nah, this ain't it. So guys, I'm at Zara right now and then I've really not seen anything I like, so I just got this perfume. So I'm going to H&M now. Hopefully I find what I like there. So I'm walking out there now. Where? Hi. Okay guys, they want to take us pictures. Hi hi. Out of the fitting room, guys. Am I going to wait this long? You have to wait on the line. I just found a girl taller than I, and I'm excited because I know I'm not the tallest girl in China, so I want to take a short video with her. Guys, I'm going to price this car. I'm going to buy it when next I come here. Hi. Can I get my nails done? You know what color to choose. Hi. Guys, she said this nail is 290 yuan. Hi, can I pay 130?
No.
It's too expensive. 这个多少？
这个80，
80这个。
内夹片80。
This is 80 yuan. Oh, this is how much she said I should pay for nails. It's expensive. Probably because they pay rent, expensive rent, and all that. Guys, she doesn't want to reduce the price for me. I have to go. I have the charger. Oh, you can literally, guys, unfortunately I can't make my nails here. I cannot pay 290 yuan just for nails that will come out after how many weeks. While inside school, I can literally pay about 70 yuan, 70 to 100 for my nails. So I gotta go. I'll do it tomorrow in school. Let's go. Let's get real. So guys, something sudden came up. Our friend's birthday, so he's hosting a birthday and we are on our way there. We're just going to, it's called Tea Mall, so we are going there to chill. There are gonna be a lot of Africans there and from there I'll be heading back to my home, to my house, to my room. So guys, see you guys. So the celebrities behind me, we are going for a birthday party. A birthday party, yeah. Current situation 7:50 p.m. and we just reached the mall. It's called T16 and we're going to meet everyone inside for the birthday. And all I'm just thinking about is food. I just want to eat, and then from here we'll just like get back to my room. And that's how my day has been so far. And it's drizzling, like my body is getting wet, and hopefully it doesn't rain when we arrive school because we're gonna be drenched by rain. So I just love the view, I love the environment. It's really beautiful and colory, if there's any word like that. Yeah, so see you guys inside. We are inside the mall now. These cars are for sale. Guys, guess what? The birthday is at another coffee and chicken.
Wow.
Sorry, is at another coffee and kitchen. And we had already gone there in the afternoon. So literally, we're going, but another location. We're going to eat. I already ate lamb. So guys, everyone is here. She wants to celebrate. Happy birthday to you. Just to show you, I'm not your mate. I'm not your mate, darling. I'm not your mate.
God no go shame us.
Okay, guys, welcome to
MC, I have something to share after. I want to share one with you.
I can teach you.
Like,
You are supposed to be coming there.
How old are you? What kind of voices are How old are you?
just right.
Are you on diet? You do diet too.
So guys, we've literally just finished the birthday and we are heading home now. So that's how my day went. My day was fun, it was interesting.
The next day.
be the end of this vlog. So don't forget to like, share, comment. Your comments means a whole lot to me, and your subscription, your likes, everything is very important. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you've watched to this point, you're the real MVP, and I'll expect my next video next week. Bye.